With this road centerline, I'm going to produce section lines over this road area. Each section line is 5 meters apart to capture the topography along the road. Each section line is also 15 meters wide, which captures the topography across the road. In order to capture this topography, I'm going to select all section lines. And then with Densify and the breakpoints option, I'm going to capture all detail that is within 5 centimeters variance. I select the surrounding boundary, push it to the terrain, and then triangulate everything together to a good road surface, which I can display as triangles or as contours. And it is ready to be exported to a CAD-compatible format.